Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create an ocean floor trench pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So, NumPy is used for numerical operations and matplotlib.pyplot is used for 2D and 3D plotting and visualizations, and MPL toolkits here enables 3D plotting in matplotlib. So, and now we will create a coordinate grid. So here x and y are 1D arrays of 400 evenly spaced points from -10 to +10, and mesh grid generates a 2D grid from these arrays to evaluate functions over a surface. And now we'll simulate the trench shape. So this creates a depth map Z where -10 into exponent is a Gaussian shaped valley running along the x-axis, which is deepest at the x is equals to 0 and shallow away from the center, and plus 0.5 into sin y. This adds some wave-like texture along the y-axis to simulate underwater topography. And now we'll set up the 3D plot. So this initializes a figure and a 3D subplot of 6 into 6 inches, and now we'll plot the surface. So this plots the surface using the x, y and z data, and CMap is equals to ocean uses a blue color map to simulate ocean water, and line width is 0, which removes grid lines for a smoother look, and anti-list is true, which smooths the surface rendering. And now we'll customize the axis and view. So here ax.setTitle sets a suitable title to the plot with font size 16, and ax.setXlabel sets the x label as longitude, and ax.setYlabel sets the y label as latitude, and ax.setZlabel sets the z label as depth. And here view init sets the viewing angle, elevation and azimuth to give a better 3D perspective. And now we'll add color bar and show the plot. So this adds a color bar showing depth scale, and this adjusts the spacing, and at last we'll display the plot. So here we can see a ocean floor trench pattern. So thanks for watching this video.